What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Creative Wings, and I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna learn how to nose slide. Yes, my very first tutorial video. I'm hyped, and you better be hyped to learn these nose slides. Drop a like if you learned something, and comment down below if I should make some more. And away we go. Tip number 1, wax the ledge and your nose. Wax your nose. Wax your nose. Wax your nose. Tip number 2, a crucial tip, especially if you've never tried nose slides at all. To get into the nose slide, you're gonna have to 180 onto the ledge. So I suggest you start by practicing standing still next to your desired object and 180ing onto it. During this exercise, you're going to want to give your shoulders some attention. But what's most important, I think, is getting the feel for shifting your balance onto your nose. Because if you've only done 50-50s, this is definitely a game changer with the balance and weight distribution. Do it more than once. I did it for about 10 minutes, just trying to really get a feel for 180ing onto the ledge and shifting my weight. So definitely take the time to practice this step before going at it with some speed. Tip number 3. If you're angled too close to the ledge, your trucks will go over, and if you're too far, your board won't even land on it. This is a great tip to keep in mind once you start doing your first runs, because it keeps you present and allows you to recognize your mistakes, and it's easier to see what you can fix instead of just guessing like,
how am I messing up? How? It's like,
nah, bitch, I know how. Tip number 1, 2, 3, 4. Dale! Practice a little nollie out or coming out switch. Just remember to turn your shoulders. Before practicing this maneuver, I wasn't able to land my nose slides. I was locking into almost every one, but I just couldn't land it, and that was simply because I wasn't turning my shoulders and I just didn't know how to land it. This maneuver will definitely help your body get used to it and develop some muscle memory so you can land the trick clean. Tip number 5. I just need that speed. Once you put all these together, you should be able to land it. And if you don't, I guarantee it's because of the speed. So do not be afraid to just go at it with some more speed. As most of us know, skating is as much mental as it is physical. So I have some mental tips for you, ladies and gentlemen. Tip number 6, visualize. Instead of being afraid or thinking what can go wrong, use the time to visualize you landing the trick. Visualize your foot placement, your ollie, your angle, your 180 onto the ledge. Visualize every moment, and this will give you such a clear vision as to why you're even alive right now. Tip number 7, perseverance is key. You have to be willing to endure a lot. You know, I had some slams learning this, but it was fun as fuck, and I love doing nose slides now. Like, makes me feel like I got a master's degree in 2 days. But seriously, perseverance is key. Just take it from my past self. If you're learning these, don't give up. It takes a lot of perseverance. I had my 180s and my ollies down, and it's still a battle. So just letting y'all know, but it's a fun battle. I'm having a good time. Bonus tip. Have fun. Oh my Lord, please. If you're not having fun, just stop. Just stop, drop, and roll. Like if you're on fire, because if you're not having fun, you're fucking up, for real. I had to hit y'all with that one. Really though, like, I want to see a smile on all y'all faces out there. But other than that, we're about finished up here, guys. So this was super fun, having a blast doing these videos. Subscribe if you want to see more. Like it if you're enjoying. do whatever the fuck you want. Just live your life. Live your best life. Alright? Peace.